Hey everyone! Is your DoorDash app acting up at the worst possible time? We've all been there and it can be frustrating. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to fix DoorDash not working so you can get back to enjoying your favorite meals without a hitch. Let's dive into some practical solutions to resolve those pesky app issues and keep your orders on track. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, ensure your internet connection is stable. DoorDash requires a reliable connection to function smoothly, whether you're using Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you're experiencing slow or no connectivity, try the following. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that solves the issue. Restart your router if you're at home or move to a different location with better reception. Disable and re-enable airplane mode on your phone to reset your network connectivity. A stable connection can often resolve most app problems right away. Step 2. Update the DoorDash app. Outdated apps can cause compatibility issues, and DoorDash is no exception. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. To check for updates, visit the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Search for DoorDash and see if an update is available. If there's an update, tap Update to install the latest version. Keeping your app up to date can often eliminate glitches and improve reliability. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Sometimes accumulated cache and data can slow down or hinder app performance. Here's how to clear them. For Android, go to Settings on your phone and select Apps. Find and select DoorDash. Tap Storage and then Clear Cache and Clear Data. For iOS, uninstall the DoorDash app by pressing and holding its icon and selecting Remove App. Reinstall the app from the App Store. Clearing cache and data can resolve stubborn issues and refresh the app's functionality. Step 4. Restart your device. A simple restart can often iron out minor issues within apps and the operating system. To restart your device, hold down the power button until prompted to turn off or restart your phone. After restarting, open the DoorDash app again to check if the problem persists. Step 5. Check DoorDash's server status. If you've tried all the above steps and DoorDash is still not working, the issue might be with DoorDash's servers. To verify, visit down detector websites like downdetector.com to see if others are experiencing similar issues. Check DoorDash's social media pages for any outage announcement. If servers are undergoing maintenance or facing downtime, you may need to wait until the issue is resolved on their end. Dealing with a non-functional DoorDash app can be a downer, especially when hunger strikes. By following these steps on how to fix DoorDash not working, you can resolve most common app issues. From checking your internet connection to verifying server issues, these solutions cover all vital troubleshooting aspects. Keep these tips handy and you'll be back to savoring your favorite meals in no time. Happy dashing!